How to fix the issue with Chipotle application. In this video, I will show you how can you easily fix the issue with Chipotle application not working. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, first you need to navigate to the settings of your mobile device, and if you see any VPN is connected in your device, simply turn it off. After that, go to the app setting of Chipotle and force stop that application. And now you also need to check the date and time for your phone device as that might also cause problem with the application. After that, simply clear the cache for chip total application by going to the settings of application. Now, last but not the least, try offloading the application, and if you are still not able to fix the issue, simply navigate to Google Play Store and update the application. So that's it. That is how easily you can fix the issue with the chip total application not working. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.